Hello everybody, today I'm going to be doing a reveal of two items that I was able to pick up from the Louis Vuitton Christmas Animations collection for 2020. I actually did an unboxing of these two items yesterday when I got them, but that video came out like so bad. I have no idea what's going on with my lighting. I think I got everything figured out, but it's a work in progress over here at channel Brian K. So let's get started. So the first item I was able to pick up is in this little box. And came in this little dust bag. Let's see. And this one is the Vivian bumper car. Wait, what is this one? The Vivian Fun Fair bumper, I think, in the bag charm and key holder. So that's how it looks with the two Vivians in the bumper cars and the LV screen printed on like a piece of canvas, and it is so cute. I'm totally gonna use this as a bag charm. On the back, it just has it like it's like actually embossed inside, like you can feel like in the little grooves. So it says like Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France, and then it has like the serial number and like the date code up here in the corner, which is something new. Oh, and it's just red. But yeah, so that is so cute. I absolutely love it. Please excuse my nails. I know they probably are looking a hot mess. But yeah, so that's how that looks. And the second item is in this box. This one I was super happy I was able to grab or pick up as well. So I'll go ahead and open it up. But this one, I think you can hear it, but is the mini Pouchette with the, I guess it was the roller coaster, I guess you can say motif with the Vivian, and it's in that like, I think it's, I can't remember what the color is called, but it's like in this like dark pink, dark rose color. And this fabulous piece was gifted to me by my husband for my birthday, so thank you so much, babe. I absolutely love it. It is absolutely beautiful. It is made in France. I think you can see that. I'm trying to get myself out of there. I was able to like try this on yesterday, and I actually put my chain from my, or this the back, from my Felici on, and I wore it as a crossbody, and this little thing can fit so much. So there's that, and then I'll go ahead and open it up. There's the, I guess you can say like the dark rose interior. I'll go ahead and get this piece as well. How cute are those? They are so cute. So I'll go ahead and show what can fit inside here. So to start off with, I have just my card holder from YSL that fits inside comfortably, of course. And I think I'll hold it like this just so everybody can see. And then next I have like my clay, which I probably wouldn't put in here, but like I'll just show what it looks like inside. And that fits inside comfortably. And let's see, if I just move everything over a smidge, I could fit just like maybe one lip product, and I just have like my Chanel La Boy lip balm. So, and this is like just for like a quick like to go out to dinner or just something like super quick where I don't need like a huge bag or anything. So yeah, and see, like there's still a lot of space in there. Like I think you can still see that pink, but yeah. So everything's in there so far, fitting well. I would definitely have my eyeglass cleaners because I'm forever having dirty glasses. So I have those in there. And then let's see, okay, let's see. I have my mask, and that fits inside no problem. Go ahead and stuff that probably on the side. So yeah, so that fits very well. And I think that would be it for now. I mean, I probably could fit another lip product like on the top up here, but then like that would probably like pushing it. So I'll try and put my Dior lip maximizer. Excuse me. Let me see. Yeah, that's not gonna fit. So we'll go ahead and scratch that. But that's just like basically everything I would have, like, you know, just for like a quick night out, or a quick like to go to the store, like go to get a coffee. But I would probably not have my clay inside, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take that out. And so I have my mask, my eyeglass cleaners, and my card holder, and a lip gloss, and I still have room inside, so I could fit my like this mini hand sanitizer that I got from Bath and Body Works. I'm so happy I was able to pick up like a whole bunch of those before I came back. So yeah, so that fits inside on the top, and really, like, I think that would be like pretty much everything that I would fit in, like that I would take, like just to like go somewhere real quick. I mean, if I wanted to, yeah, I could put my another lip product in there, since I took out the clay, and I think the Chanel thing fell over. But yeah, so that would fit, and I mean, it struggles a little bit, but it zips and it looks good. Like, yeah, so that's how that looks. Yeah. So real quickly, I just wanted to show what it would look like with the Felici chain strap on, and I think it looks so cute because, to be honest with you, I'm probably going to be using this bag more as a mini bag rather than a catch-all, because I think it looks super cute as a crossbody, like just to wear, like just to go get coffee, or just to like run and go get things. I think it looks so cute on. How cute is that? I think that looks really cute. And for reference, I am 5'9". And that's my reveal of the 2 items I was able to pick up for my birthday from Louis Vuitton, from the Christmas animation collection. I'm so happy I was able to add these to my collection. And I'm also seriously thinking about re-uploading my Pouchette Matisse, I guess you could say, reveal and mini review, just because I have no idea what happened with that video and the lighting and why it came out so blue and smurfish looking. So I'm thinking of reshooting and re-uploading that film, just so that it looks better, because I mean, I know it looks okay, but I don't know, it's been bugging me. So let me know if you think I should re-upload that, or if you think it's fine, but most likely I'll probably re-upload it. But I thought I'd throw that out there as a side note. So yeah, I hope everybody is well, I hope everybody is safe, and everybody is happy, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.